Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm really excited to be sharing some new Mintay products with you, and this is the new Mintay range of chipboards. These are all 12 by 12 chipboards that I'm going to introduce to you today. There's 5 new designs and there's some new blank chipboards. Let me show you the blank chippies first. Mintay has created a packet of 6 sheets of 12 by 12 blank chipboard sheets. Now these are ready to cut and decorate as you wish, perfect for a perfect base for a layout or an album page, or you could use them as a cover for a mini album or a scrapbook album. You can cover them using the Mintay papers, paint them with the Creativa chalk paints, use stencils and stamps, and so much more. So they come in a packet of 6 sheets of 12 by 12 chipboard pieces. So that's available from Mintay Papers. Let me take you through the brand new collection here that we've got. First of all, let's have a look at this one. This is the spring collection. You can see the spring chippy. You can see lots of roses, some beautiful banners here, and love hearts. Have a look at this collection here. This is the vehicles collection, perfect to team up with the new masculine paper range by Mintay. And you can see trucks and cars and tools and all sorts of masculine things there. Here we have our Happy Easter chipboard sheet with the cutest little bunnies and lots of beautiful Easter eggs that can be painted with the Mintay Creativa paint and added to your cards, layouts, and mini album projects. This is our Boho Chippy 12 by 12 chippy sheet where we have lots of dream catchers here and some flowers. Perfect. And last of all, our Boho doily, which is a large mandala picture here, which is perfect for 12 by 12 layouts and mixed media 3-dimensional creations. Lots of lovely new chippies available from Mintay Papers. And don't forget also, you have the plain 12 by 12 chippies as well that you can use however you like in your creations. So stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.